In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint 2016 to do screen recording in Windows. Now, I can't promise it's going to work in all the other versions of PowerPoint. It definitely works in PowerPoint 2016. Also, I can get it recording sound from a microphone, but I can't have it recording sound from the actual computer. So if you're going to be recording a webinar or a YouTube video or something using this, well, I can't get it to work. But feel free to leave a message in the comments if you can. But this will be really useful if you do want to use screen recording. And a lot of you will have PowerPoint 2016. So anyway, on with the video. You can see here that I'm on my desktop. I'm just going to go to the Start menu and I'm going to launch PowerPoint. So you can launch PowerPoint however you normally do. Go to Microsoft Office Apps, choose PowerPoint. Going to create a blank presentation. I'm going to go to Insert, Screen Recording. Now you need to select the area that you want. You can do just a part of the screen, you can do a larger part, you can do the whole screen if you want. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to record the whole screen. So I've selected the whole area. I'm not ready to quite do it yet, but I would press the record button to start this. This square box is the stop button. You can also press the Windows logo key and Shift and Q to stop it. If I selected the wrong area, I could click Select Area and choose it again. Audio. This is to record your microphone audio. So it's going to use whatever's been set up as your default microphone. It's not recording the audio of the website. So if you're playing a YouTube video or something through Spotify, or if you listen to a lecture, it's not going to record that. It only records the audio of a microphone. So I'm going to turn that off because I don't want the audio from a microphone to be recording. And then you've got record pointer. So do I want it to show where my mouse pointer is going to be on the screen? And that depends on what you want. I'm going to leave it on because I'm happy for that. This toolbar here, when I start recording, that's going to minimize to the top of the screen and you won't see it. You only see it if you hover your mouse around the top of the screen, but it will show in the recording. You can pin it so it always stays on as well if you want. I'm going to leave it unpinned though. Let's start the recording. So press the recording button. I have a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Here we are recording now. So everything I'm doing, it's going to be recording. I'm going to open up a web page. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I've already pre-loaded a website on here. So I'll just click through this just to show you this information. There we go. Minimize that. I'm also going to create a folder just to show you this working. There you go. Create a folder on my desktop. I'm happy with that. I've done enough. So if I move my mouse to the top of the screen, I can then stop it, or I can press Windows Shift and Q on my keyboard. There you go. I've stopped that. You can now see that PowerPoint has it saved in here. So to play it, we've got a little play bar down the bottom. I'll press play. You can then see the mouse moving around. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. We've got the website open. You can see that I'm going through different pages on the website. Skip along a bit. I've created a folder. You can see that the toolbars come down and I'm going to stop the thing. So I've just paused it. If I want to trim that video, so maybe I want to get rid of some of the start of the video and some of the end of the video, if I go to playback along the top, so I'm currently in format, but if I go to playback, I can then go to trim video. Now using this little window, I can then edit the start and the end of it, so I'm trimming it, so I'll get rid of lots of the video that I don't want. There we are, I've trimmed it. I can also be very precise down to the millisecond. I'm going to press OK. And we'll now have our trimmed down version of the video. So I'm happy with the video. To actually get the video out of PowerPoint, there's a couple of different things I can do. Firstly, I can right click on it. I can go to Save Media As. I need to choose a location for it. So I'm going to go to my desktop. And I'm going to go to recordings. So this is the folder I just created, but you can save it anywhere that you wanted. So I've called it PowerPoint video, and it's going to save it as a media file type. Now, depending on what you want to do with it, the choice of media file might not be the best option. So it depends on where you're going to upload it to. But it might also be absolutely fine for you. So I'm going to press save. The other way to do it is on the left here, go to File, go to Export, create a video, choose what type I want in terms of the quality. So you've got Ultra HD, Full HD, HD and Standard. Normally I choose Full HD because that's the quality that I use on YouTube. And then I'll choose Create Video. It's now going to ask me where I want to save it. So once again, I'll go to my desktop, I'll save it in the same location. So I'll go to the recordings folder that I just created. I'll call it PowerPoint Demo. You got a choice here, MP4 or MPEG-4 as it's called in here, or Windows Media Video. I tend to use MP4. That means I can upload this to YouTube if I wanted to. And press save. Now you've got to give it a little bit of time to actually process the video, so depending on how long the video is, it might take quite a while. I've just changed the layout of my PowerPoint just so I made it full screen. You can see down the bottom here, you've got creating a video, PowerPoint demo, MP4, you've got a little process bar, so you can see it's actually processing this now. Once this gets completed, it will disappear. That means that your video is ready for you. If I was to try and launch the video now, the version that I've saved is not going to work. I'm going to get some error messages. Just let this complete. So this is now completed because it's disappeared down the bottom here. I'm now going to minimize PowerPoint. I'm going to show you by going to recordings folder that I created earlier, the two different recordings. So we've got the first one that I did. This was the media file. Just going to fast forward it just so you can see it working. There you go. Just going through the different website that I did. And I got this one here, which is the PowerPoint demo. Same again, but it's an MP4 file. So again, you can see it's working perfectly. And there you have it. That is how you use PowerPoint to do screen recordings. You can see that it's recording everything on your screen. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you can subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. If you've got any comments or anything you want to leave below, then please leave them. Happy screen recording.